events for having our wedding today. Right now we're at Munting Gubat, Tanay Rizal. So even though ganito yung weather namin, they made our event smooth. So wala kami problema sa suppliers, sila lahat nag-coordinate. Plus yung food is masarap. And then yung service during event and also before event. So pag-assist sa during the session ng mga photographs, very smooth, so no problem. Same goes with having meetings with them, so natupad lahat ng sinabi namin. And they do ask for permissions if may babaguhin sila. So that's nice.
And sobrang mabait ng mga organizer natin and kina Sir Neil at Len. Sobrang salamat sa napaka-organize and successful event na to. So maraming salamat sa inyo and tatanawin namin itong napakalaki utang na loob sa inyo. And dahil tinulungan nyo kami mapaganda, especially namin mag-asawa. Sobrang salamat. The best, Sparks.
Thank you so much.